Hello everyone, it's Marky. Welcome Hot Wheels fans. I've got some new Hot Wheels. These are from Diecast. This one has the Hot Wheels 2022 logo all the way up here, and it's Earth Day celebration. The carbonator with the Earth Day celebration on there, and that's the Earth Day symbol. From the Fast Foodie series, the carbonator in a new color celebrating Earth Day. The carbonator was also used for New Year's, for the New Year's Day celebration of 2022. A little soda pop bottle on wheels, on Hot Wheels. Give it a little spin real quick. And I also found the Driftstar. This is a new series for this year, the Hot Wheels Drift. So we have a new series, and the Driftstar is back. It says best for track on this one. No special feature, but these all come from Diecast. Vehicles that don't see corners as obstacles, but opportunities. It's kind of funny. So the Driftstar, here we go. Driftstar, give it a quick spin. And we'll look we'll check out all the details on these in a little bit. So there's the Driftstar. And the next one up is from the Hot Wheels Turbo series, the Cyber Speeder. This is the one that has that spoiler that pops up and down. Say special feature on the card. Here it is, special feature, best for track. And you can see right there, the moving spoiler in the front. So we should be able to pop that up and lock it in place and bring it down for better use on the track. Pretty cool. I can't remember what was the last color for the Cyber Speeder, but I know we've had it before in different other different colors. So that's another one. And check this out, the Tooligan is back. Last time we saw him in a seafoam green or maybe a light green, kind of similar to this color right here. And now it's back in orange, Hot Wheels Tools. And I know somebody left me a message saying that his whole childhood was based on this car right here. This was his favorite car growing up. Isn't that awesome? The Tooligan. So he saw it in one of my short videos, and he left me a message. I'm sorry, I forgot your name right now, but if you're watching, please leave a comment again, letting me know it was you, and share with everybody a little bit of your story. That's so cool. We all love to read the stories of our childhood favorite cars. And this one has the special feature as well, which is that little tool in the back. So you can use it as a tool. So it's a handy die-cast car to have with you in case you need to, where did I put him? Oh, there it is. In case you need to fix something or tighten a bolt, comes in handy. The Tooligan, it's actually a pretty nice looking car. Pretty nice looking car. Very nice. Ooh, got some garbage on my glove there. All right, let's see what else did I find. Diecast. These are out now, guys, by the way, in the stores. You can find these at Walmart or Target. This one's called the Snowstormer. These hairs that get stuck on my gloves drive me crazy. This one's from the Hot Wheels Rescue series. Hot Wheels Rescue, number 3 of 10. So we're gonna have 10 different rescue vehicles. And let's get up close real quick and see what this one's all about. Kind of looks like a snowmobile. And then you see the treads, but then we have the nice tires and wheels so we can run him down the track. Even though he has the kind of like the tank treads or whatever you call these. Pretty nice. It rolls really well, really well. Beautiful saw blades on there. Isn't that nice? Let's see, what do we have marked down here? Hot Wheels logo right in the middle, made in Malaysia. Copyright 2014. This one's been out in a few different colors. This time we got the purple and yellow combination. And we do have the Hot Wheels Avalanche Rescue temple right there on the side, with a nice silver stripe going all the way up. A couple of little stripes there. Here are the controls and the little handles on the side. And probably a little clock there in the middle or something. Some gauges. Very cool. These are the lights on the sides, I believe. And check it out. This just might be the exhaust, right? Right back here. And those treads are all plastic wheels and tires. Very cool. Very, very cool. Love it. Let me grab these little stringy things that keep getting stuck on my gloves. All right, this is pretty cool. Have you found these yet? Let me know, guys. Have you found any of these new vehicles? Here's the card for the Snowstormer, which is a rescue vehicle. Avalanche rescue. We didn't get the little guy that they show here. That would be cool if they brought a little guy. Beautiful. It looks just like the picture. Amazing. Pretty cool. This one says, fearless and fast to respond. These vehicles save the day. And that's what they've been putting on all the Hot Wheels rescue vehicles. Pretty cool. Let's go with Cyber Speeder. Give them a closer look. The Cyber Speeder has some nice tempo work all over the top of the vehicle. Let's see, what does this say there? Colucci, Hot Wheels Colucci, number 1. Then we have the Chime here. Chime turbochargers. Is it Chime or is it Heim? I'm just going to go on a limb and say it's Chime, but it could be Heim. Turbochargers, not familiar with that one for some reason. Cyber Speeder. Name of the vehicle right here is the Cyber Speeder. Nice glossy red color with those black and white designs on top. White disc wheels. The back wheels are much taller than the front, but they're kind of like the same width. Not much wider or anything like that. And again, we do have that special feature where the spoiler pops up or down, so it'll ride better on your track. Check it out. We do have some exhaust back here and all that. Very cool. Oops, too close. Let me get a little closer with this. There we go. Look at that. Some amazing exhaust on there. Those pipes all curved around there. This is really cool. I love the moving feature. This one says Hot Wheels right in the middle here. Cyber Speeder. What else do we have here? Made in Malaysia. Stamped R06 on the bottom here, on the base. And you see the little track symbol there, meaning that this is best for track. Pretty cool. The Cyber Speeder. It's got that engine back here. Plastic blue tint for the glass there on the sides. How does he see when it's all covered up? It's got a little guy in there. Look at that. I didn't even notice that the Cyber Speeder has a guy molded onto the seat there. Kind of like a silver color, not like the color of the base. Very cool. It might be that same color that we have on the side, but with that blue tint. Makes it look a little different. It's probably this color right here. It's kind of like a gray, but it gives that bluish gunmetal look. Very cool. And then there has a passenger. Looks like there's a passenger there. So 2 drivers or 2. It's a team of 2. Pretty cool. Love the white disc on these with all the white design. It just matches really well. And then it has the running board here on the side in white and the base in white. Beautiful. Let's compare him to the Tooligan. What does he look like next to the Tooligan? Oh, look at that. Pretty cool. Tooligan has like the pizza slices on the wheels, and it has the blue chrome on the wheels. And look at all the nuts and bolts there, or the bolts. I mean the nuts. Hot Wheels Tools name. Hot Wheels Tools. Pretty cool. There we go. Side view. And let's see how... Well, this one's kind of bulky to put them next to them, but let's try it. There we go. So we have different wheels on all these. Saw blades, a flat disc, and the pizza slices, or the flour. Whatever you want to call them. I like to call them pizza slices. And sometimes the flour wheels. And then we have the Carbonator celebrating Earth Day. This is really cool. Check out that incredible, what looks like a turbine engine or a jet engine on there. This incredible spoiler or big wing back here, stabilizer. It's got the 5 spokes, yet another different set of wheels in the green chrome. April 22 of 2022, which is Earth Day. Very cool that it has the 22, 22, 2022. All the twos are on there. Pretty cool. The carbonator in a new color, celebrating Earth Day. And you might have the one that came out for New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. That says Happy New Year's on it. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Let's see what the card says on here. Has a little driver. This one doesn't have the driver, the actual car. But same wheels. Same design on the side. Looks really good. Looks just like what we see on the card there. Except those wings in the back come up a little taller, maybe. Seems like they come up a little taller and separate from the back there, from the tail. Taller wings there, drawn in on the side there. And we do have those little wings here on the corner here. They do go up like that and up here on the back of the wheel or the tire. Very cool. Let's check out the markings down here. Hot Wheels logo sideways there. And does say 2008 and 2016 copyright for both years, and Mattel. A lot of times this is happening when they change from some of the plastic parts, some of the metal parts turning into plastic from that point forward. On some of the vehicles, it's happened like that. I don't recall if this one is the case for this one. Made in Malaysia back here. R06. The Earth Day Carbonator. Very cool. And I love that they have the logo. Right now, I'm drawing a blank on what was the Earth Day vehicle from last year. I know I have it. I just can't remember which one it is. It's been a while since last April. And let's see. We saw a Tooligan. Here's the card for a Tooligan, by the way. Let's show it real quick. Next to the card. And it looks pretty much the same, right? And the special feature was that. Experimotors series. Fuel your imagination, get those wheels turning, and experiment with the world around you. Do you remember the color for Experimotors? It's yellow. Yeah, right there. All right. And then the pink color, or the pink stripe, is the new Hot Wheels Drift series that we have this year. Best for track. And it's the I can't even say that. Driftstar. The F and the S together kind of Driftstar, and the T, all those letters. Kind of messes with your tongue there. Wow, look at that. Pink wheels on the back. Yet another different set of wheels. I just noticed, it's kind of like mentioning it already, but all the Hot Wheels I found have different wheels. None of them have the same wheels. This one has a double spokes in the 5-star shape. Very, very nice. We do have the Hot Wheels logo on the door there. Very, very cool. Wall Ride. Team Wall Ride. Okay. And check out the flames. Tribal looking flames. HAO Engineering. KCM something there. This kind of looks like that little Fox logo, but I don't think it is. It might be. Hot Wheels graphics, Hot Wheels, and we do have graphics here. HW Drift Crew, very nice. And I don't know what the YAP or YAP means, or the ASETO there. Not sure what those mean. If you know, drop a comment, let me know. And the JLU, I've seen that before on some of these Hot Wheels. The Driftstar, copyright 2014 Mattel. Stamped R06, just like the last one. Hot Wheels. And we do have taller tires in the back, but they're the same width. Just a little taller. And the pink color on the back end there. White in the front. This one kind of reminds me of that show, Saved by the Bell. Has those kind of like 80s colors. The pinks and the turquoise. Very, very nice. Beautiful car. All these are fantasy cars, but as you can see, they all have the different wheels. So double spokes, the pizza wheels. I make up all these names, guys. The 5 spokes over here, star 5 spokes. Kind of like flat disc wheels. And looks like saw blades over here. Very cool. Let's line them up and see what we got here. What do we have here? Wow. Let's put Earth Day right in the middle. Snowmobile looking thing right there. All right, cool. Can you remember the names of these guys? The Tooligan, easy to remember for me. and the Carbonator. But these three I haven't had that often in my collection, come into the collection. So let me see. This one is a Cyber, I know it's named in the front, Cyber Speeder. And then this one is the Snowstormer. I mean, this one right here, the Snowstormer Rescue, Avalanche Rescue. And what was the other one? Cyber Speeder and the Driftstar. The one that gives me a hard time, the Driftstar. So these are the only ones I found. It looks like I'm going to have to keep searching for G-Case because obviously I got there late and they just left me fantasy cars. They must have taken all the really cool looking realistic cars. So hopefully soon, maybe tomorrow, I'll find them. I don't know. Haven't found them yet. So these are the ones I have so far that actually say G-Case on the card. These are the very first 5 I find from G-Case. Now, I did see some that were there that were like, what do you call it? Nice cars that were, what do you call it? Oh my God. I'm like stuck for the name. When they reissue them from the last case. So this one was out in F case in the blue. So EF. And then G, it's like a carryover. That's what they call it. The carryover to G case as well. So this one was there, and I got this one to feature in one of my shorts. I didn't want to ruin my other one, so I'm gonna ruin this one. And what I mean by ruin is gonna let him jump over into the water, take a swim. So this one right here was marked G case. They had some E case there as well. So there was a few G case. You can find these at Walmart, like I said, guys. And they do have some carryovers, like this one right here, the Ford Sierra in blue, which is very beautiful. So it's an 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth. This one came out in black. And I should have a black one around here, in case you haven't seen it, to show you. Let me see, where is it? Where's my black Ford Sierra? Oh, sorry, guys, I can't find it right now. I don't want to take too long looking for it. It's buried here under a bunch of cars. I'm sure I'm going to see it as soon as I stop recording. But here it is in blue, so you can get it in black. I think it's black and red, and now orange and blue. Very nice. It looks good in both colors. It looks really nice. The Ford Sierra. And it's a new for 2022 model. So it's the first time they ever made this one. And it's designed by Rai. There's this little symbol, Rai's Rides. Or Ryu. Not sure how you pronounce his name. It might be Ri, it might be Rai, I'm not sure. But this one comes from the Retro Racer series, and I love the Retro Racers logo right there. Very cool. So I did get this one, but this one I'm going to use to make a video, a short video, jumping a ramp or something, and possibly taking a swim in the water. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.